What do you say? What do you say? What are you saying? What are you saying? Nangangamoy. Oh my goodness. Ito bang sasakyan namin? Yung mga yellow? Oh my goodness. Hindi ba tataob yan? Hindi ako marunong mag-swim eh. Malalim ba dyan? There's our boat. I want to model of a boat. One by one? Okay.
For going down, they put a
ginagawa natin dito. Lord, I don't know how to get back. Lord. Look at that. Oh my God. Look Natuwa, Krisa.
Auntie, kasi yung tubig, auntie.
Ano? First time mo ba dito?
Yes, auntie.
Oh, Lord. I don't want to come here again.
Yeah, I know, but this is so far from the mainland.
Probably where they have this.
I put my hat on. Oh, yeah, you're right.
For your lunch, or we continue to the tail of the island, we continue to the tail of the island, and lunch will be after our 30 minutes later. Now, to begin with, there's a new building up here to the left side. What is Caribbean Hotel now? Used to be a British Marshal's office or military police on top of skippers. Again, the island now is looking for an investor to run the hotel, so we're not accepting an interest yet. But nevertheless, Caribbean Hotel is the best hotel in the island. You know, the picture is that's the only hotel in the Caribbean Island. Adventurous way to stay overnight, camping. This is our camping site. And our swimming area, so the water here is clearer since it is facing the open sea. Look at that water there, so it's clearer. Since it is facing the open sea already. South side, 7 nautical miles away, that is Cavite province already. Now, again, talking about Corregidor Island. So we'll be talking about World War II in the Pacific, especially happened here in the Philippines. So we'll be looking at the World War II history in the Pacific. So as we may recall, Second World War in the Pacific started when the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor. That was dated December 7, 1941. That was on the move of Hawaii line. Here in the Philippines, it was dated December 8 because of the international dateline. And after the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor, hours after the Japanese started to bomb the different places in the Philippines. In Zambales, Clarkville, Subic Naval Base, Naval Field in Manila. Now, Manila, he was the one who's in charge of the USAPE. If you say USAPE stands for United States, United States Army Forces in the Far East, voted by my great-great-uncle Douglas MacArthur. So when the war broke out, he activated the war plan always. Now, once this war plan on the mountains up north in the bus for those non-smokers, and please, this is very important. Please remember where you are seated now. This would be your permanent seats all throughout the tour. Okay? I don't want World War III happen in my past. Back in the bus, when you hear the bell rings, that means ice cream.
Bumabaak tapos picturean kay Tibas.
Diba?
These were the 91st Coast Artillery Philippine Scouts enlisted men. Because the Philippine Scouts that were serving under the U.S. Army, trained by the U.S. Army. So we had before Philippine Army under the Philippine Commonwealth. I don't think it is planned. That was meant to pass rainwater channeling to the water reservoir we passed by earlier. According to the experts, 10 more years, this building will collapse over. So sadly, after 10 years, June and I, we don't have a job anymore after 10 years. That's one and 1.7. A country without rules is a country without memory. And a country without memory, that is Corregidor is all about. Guns, guns, and guns. Our first gun battery to visit, we are now going to see battery Wave. Now, if you say battery, that is a military term for a group of guns in one location. Sometimes you'll find 1, 2, 4, 8 guns as long as in one area, they call it a battery. Wave. That is a surname of an American soldier who died during the Filipino-American War. Second Lieutenant Wave. Again, so 1 minute before four were assigned underneath during firing. So this day, that
As
destroys the church in
always,
Manila.
thanks
So when the
for
Japanese
watching
captured
and supporting my channel for the benefits of the senior citizens. Thank you.